Are you looking to add some festive red and green lighting to your home this Christmas without breaking the bank? In this review, I take a close look at the Sakolla 10-piece Christmas gel filter set, which includes 5 red and 5 green transparent plastic sheets. Each sheet measures 8.5 by 11 inches and is about 0.3 millimeters thick. The material is lightweight and has high light transmission, so it won't dull your lights too much. The color temperature is stable and there's low light loss, meaning your lights stay bright with a nice tint. One thing to note is that depending on how deep you want the color to be, you can use 1 to 3 layers of these sheets. Just be careful not to attach them directly to a modeling lamp or any hot surface, because they will melt. These are plastic after all, and not designed for high heat. So stick to LED lights or other cool running bulbs. Both sides of each sheet come with a protective covering to prevent scratches during shipping. That's a nice touch. The coverings peel off easily, and the sheets are super easy to cut if you need smaller pieces. They're great for covering LED landscape lights or porch lights to create a festive atmosphere. You can also use them for film, video, photography, stage lighting, parties, DJ setups, and even for Halloween decorations. But wait, there's another interesting use. They can help kids with reading difficulties. Some people use colored overlays to reduce visual stress and improve clarity. These sheets are flexible enough for that purpose too. In my testing, the red and green colors were vibrant and true. They didn't wash out even when used on bright LEDs. The sheets are durable but flexible, so they can be taped onto light fixtures easily. Just remember to avoid heat sources, and they'll last for multiple holiday seasons. Overall, if you're on a budget and want a quick way to transform your home's lighting for Christmas, these gel filters are a solid choice. They're affordable, easy to use, and versatile. You get 10 sheets for the price, so you can cover several lights or experiment with different layering effects. I'd recommend them for anyone looking to add a splash of red and green without spending too much. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews.